Krishna, tape number 27, Krishna, tape number 27, July 21st, 1969. 26th chapter, heading Wonderful Krishna. The innocent cowherd's boy, as well as the cowherdsman of Vṛndāvana, without entering into the intricacies of Kṛṣṇa, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and without knowing his uncommon spiritual opulences, began to discuss amongst themselves in the village about the wonderful activities of Kṛṣṇa, which is never possible to be done by any man in the world. Some of them said, "My dear friends, how it is possible that such uncommon boy could live with us in Vṛndāvana amongst the cowherdsmen without being had to his wonderful activities? It is not possible that he would come and live with us. Just imagine, he is now only 7 years old, and how it was possible for him to lift the Govardhana Hill in one hand, and he held the hill just like the elephant, the king of elephant, holds a lotus flower. In other words, for an elephant, especially the king of elephant, to lift a lotus flower is most insignificant thing. Similarly, Kṛṣṇa, when he lifted the Govardhana Hill, he did not feel any kind of exertion at all. When he was simply a small baby, he could not see properly, and she killed a great demon, Pūtanā, while sucking her breast. He also sucked her life wonderfully. Kṛṣṇa killed the Pūtanā demon exactly like the eternal time kills a living creature in due course of time. And when he was only 3 months old and sleeping underneath a hand-driven cart, but when he was hungry for her mother's breast, began to cry and throw his legs upwards, and by the strike of his small legs, the cart immediately broke down in topsy-turvy condition. And when he was only 1 year old, he was carried by the Tṛṇāvarta demon as a whirlwind. And although he was taken very high in the sky, the child simply by hanging on the neck of the demon forced him to come down from such high sky, and the demon died immediately. Sometimes his mother, being disturbed on account of his stealing butter, tied him with the wooden mortar, and the child pushed it towards the pair of trees known as yamala-arjuna, and caused their breaking down immediately. Sometimes when he was engaged in tending the calves in the forest along with his elder brother Balarāma, the Bakāsura appeared, and he bifurcated the beaks of the demon immediately. And the demon, known as Vatsāsura, when entered amongst the calves tended by Kṛṣṇa with a desire to kill him, he immediately detected the demon and killed him and threw him on the top of the tree. Kṛṣṇa, along with his brother Balarāma, when entered into the Tālavana, the demon known as Dhenukāsura, in the shape of an ass, attacked them, and he was immediately killed by Balarāma by catching his hind legs and threw him on the tree. Although the demon Dhenukāsura was assisted by his company in the same shape of ass, all of them were killed, and the Tālavana became freed for being used by the animals and inhabitants of Vṛndāvana. When Tṛṇāvarta entered amongst his cowherds, boy's friend, he caused his death by Balarāma. Thereafter, he saved his friends and cows from the severe forest fire. And thereafter, he chastised the Kaliyanath in the lake of Yamunā, and he forced him to go out of the vicinity of Yamunā River, and thus he made the water of Yamunā poisonless. One of the friends of Nanda Maharaj addressed him and said, "My dear Nanda, we do not know why we are so much attracted with your son Kṛṣna. We want to forget him, but it is impossible to forget him. Why we are so much naturally affectionate towards him? Just imagine how wonderful it is. On one side, a boy of 7 years old only, and another side, a huge hill like Govardhana Hill, and he lifted it so easily. Nanda Maharaj, we are now in great doubt that your son Kṛṣna must be some demigod. He is not at all an ordinary boy. Maybe he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead." That's why, on hearing the versions of the cowherdsmen in Vṛndāvana, King Nanda addressed him and said, "My dear cowherdsmen, in reply to yours, I can simply present before you the statement of Govardhana so that your doubts may be cleared up." Vṛndācharya, when he came to perform the naming ceremony of Kṛṣna, whatever he said are as follows. He said that this boy descends in different periods of time under different colors, and this time he has appeared in Vṛndāvana in a blackish color known as Kṛṣna. Previously he had a white collar, and then a red collar, and then yellow collar, and at the present moment he has assumed in blackish color. He also said that this boy was sometimes the son of Vasudeva. And anyone who knows about his previous birth sometimes call him Vasudeva. Actually, he said that my son has many varieties of names according to his different contemporary qualities and activities. Vṛndācharya assured me that this boy will be all auspicious for my family, and he would be able to give transcendental bliss, full pleasure to all the cowherdsmen and cows in Vṛndāvana. Even though you will be put into various kinds of difficulties, by the grace of this boy, you will be very easily freed from them. He also said that formerly this boy saved the world from unregulated condition of states, and he saved all honest men from the hands of dishonest thieves. In this way, all honest men were saved from the clutches of dishonest population. He also said that any fortunate man who becomes attached to this boy, Kṛṣna, is never vanquished or defeated by his enemy. On the whole, he is exactly like Lord Vishnu, who takes all as the side of the demigods, and thereby they are never defeated by the demons. Vṛndācharya thus concluded that my child grow exactly like Vishnu in various transcendental beauty, qualification, activities, influence, and opulence. Plus should not be very much astonished by his wonderful activities. After making this statement, when Gargacharya went back to his home, I am continually seeing wonderful activities of this child. Therefore, in pursuance of the version of Gargacharya, I consider him that he must be Narayan himself, or maybe plenary portion of Narayan. When all the cowherdsmen heard very attentively the statement of Gargacharya through Nanda Maharaj, and when they appreciated the wonderful activities of Kṛṣṇa and they passed, they become very much jubilant and satisfied. After this, they began to eulogize Nanda Maharaj very greatly. By such consultation, their doubts about Kṛṣṇa became cleared off. The cowherdsmen began to say, let Kṛṣṇa is so kind and beautiful and merciful also, so that Indra, being angry upon us, when he sent torrents of rain accompanied by powering of iced blocks and high wind, he became immediately compassionate upon us and saved ourselves along with our family, cows and valuable possessions, and picked up the Govardhana Mount Hill, just like a child picks up a mushroom umbrella. He saved us so wonderfully that his merciful glance over us and our cows be continued. Let us live peacefully under the protection of wonderful Kṛṣṇa. Thus end the Bhaktivedanta purpose of the 26th chapter in the matter of statement about wonderful Kṛṣṇa.